Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV. This is the Sony Smart TV that has Google TV. So the first thing is, let's go to the settings on our Sony TV. You can navigate there if you have the settings button on your remote. If not, just go to the home page, click on the home button on the remote. Once you're here, you can navigate to that little gear icon. So go all the way up and then move over to the right. Keep moving over. Right there. All settings is highlighted. Let's go with that right there. From here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories. Right there, remotes and accessories. Go ahead and select that. From here, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and we're going to go down right there where it says pair accessory. Go ahead and select that. Now, this is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me. So let's hurry up and put these in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. Let's open the lid up. And then as soon as you open the lid up, if you get a white blinking light right there, that means it's in pairing mode, okay? But mine's not blinking white. Mine's a solid green light here, and then it's going to turn off. And the reason is because I'm connected to a different device. So let me just manually put these in a pairing mode. Let me close this lid first. Let me wait. Now I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to double tap this invisible button right there. Tap, tap. Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to the TV here. It's still searching here. Let's give it a second. Okay, maybe I took too long. Let me just click on the back button. Oh, never mind. Okay, there we go. I was going to rescan again, but anyway, it popped up. AirPods Pro right there. So we're going to go down. We're going to go ahead and select that. It says pairing right there. We get a pairing request. So tap on pair. It says connecting. I just heard the connecting chime on the buds here. And voila. So if I go down here, you can see that we're connected, okay? All these other ones down here, my other earbuds and headphones, you can see like the Beat Solo 4. If I go to it, I can connect to it. But if I go to the AirPods Pro, it's already connected. So the only thing I can do is disconnect. So that's how you know if it's connected or not. But anyway, we're connected, ready to go. If you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the description area for that link.